Hello everybody, welcome back. This is the 10th video on Afan Oromo, reading on how to read and write Afan Oromo. My name is Tasfai. I'm taking you through this lesson. Um, we have seen the alphabets earlier in our videos. We have seen um, some rules how to write and read Afan Oromo, and we will continue in that series. Today we are going to see um, some of we're going to see some of the rules that we were talking about on last video. I introduced to strong and soft um, sounds. On the video part 9, I've given you some example to do, and this is the answer for that on how to write. So if you have written this, you can mention on down in the comment how much you got. 10 out of 10, 9, 5, 6, 2. So this is how we write actually. How we write limu, limu. Here is ma sound. The M sound is strong and also long. Soda, soda, sadet, Rabbi, Tuwe, Yak, Dre, Bode, Furri, Dubbi. If you have written like that, well done. That's 10 out of 10. And I will continue to today's lesson. So today we're going to enhance our understanding on soft and strong sounds, and we also bring here the short and the long videos we have seen before as well. In combination, we will create some understanding of how we write this, and we will get more to know the sound that is soft and or strong, the sound that is short and long. These all are based on the time we stay saying it and how we say it. So we will see this, what are combined short and soft. I will see some examples and of each and each of this. There are no specific rules related to this. It's just to help you recap sorry, the rules that we have learned. These are the 4 most important rules: the soft, the strong, the short, and the long sounds. Once you actually identify those, I tell you, you covered 75, 85, 80% of writing, how to write a Oromo. The others are really simple. These are the most important key in understanding how to read and write a Oromo. Let's see their examples. So, sorry, this orders is wrong, but it should have been, let me correct it anyway. I'll start with, sorry about that. Doesn't matter what text, and continue with that. Yeah. These are the 4 examples we're going to see. Combined, short, and soft. So short actually is the one that goes short and long. Yeah, and soft is soft and strong. But here actually we are combining two. The sound that is short and the sound that is not deep as well, that's not strong. So like these words we see here, they are short, there is no vowel repeated, no vowel repeated, because we don't stay on any of them. We just say them short. Mana. We don't say mana or mana like that. It is very short. Mana. We stay short on the on the sounds. We have two sounds, ma and the na here, and their consonants are a, and we say mana. If we add here, if it is not in an Oromo word, it is not, na is not short anymore, it is long. So the way we read this is mana. So that's why these words are all short and they are all soft. When we say soft, actually it is how deep we say the consonant. Like if we add na here, manna, that is how we read. Manna. There is no manna word in Oromo. So this is mana. That's why we call it soft. Short because no repeated vowels, or we don't stay on saying the sound, and soft because the consonants are not deep in when we say them. By the way, as I said earlier, the way we say determines what we write. That's one thing. Whatever we say, we write. There is no other rule for Oromo. Like in English, some of them, that is British English, that is Irish English, that is American English, that is Australian English, spelling, saying how to say. There is no such thing in Oromo. Just what do you listen, what you hear, you write. Exactly duplicating that sound. Or what you see, you exactly read like that. I am no way to read that different than mana. Mana, lafa, lama, shan, ana. I I can't read no other way. So they are what we say, we write. What we write, we read. That's a rule. That's why actually learning Oromo is very very simple. Once we know our sounds. So these are short and soft. We'll come to see others, and then that will help your understanding. This is just to repeat, to us as to repeat. There's no rules here. We have seen them earlier as well. Mana, tutuma, uguma, da, fi, of, dur. So these are all short and are all soft. If we um, change some of them, as I said, like lama, if I change that to and like that, this is not Oromo word, but there is a name in some people's called lama. Lama. So when I change that, I made it strong. Ma is now not lama, but lama, and it is also long, no more short, because I stay on saying ma, lama. So here is what the original one. It is short and soft. Lama, ana, nama, tutuma, luguma, da. So these words are, we call them short and soft. Well, let's come to the next one. These are short and strong. Now they are short because there is no repeated consonants. That means we don't stay on any of them. Some of them are, some of the sounds in here are strong. That's a combination of short and strong. Dhamma. Listen to the sound ma. Dhamma. I say it deeply. As I said before, there is no strong sound at the beginning of any Oromo word. Toko. It is not toko. It is toko. So I stay deep. I say it deeper. Sodoma. Sodoma. Which one is strong in here? Sodoma. You can actually see by you get by looking at the structure of the spelling. Da is double. That means actually da is strong. Or when you say it, Sodoma, and when you say that, you have to make da double. If you don't have da double, Sodoma. Sodoma. There's no Sodoma word in Oromo. Sodoma is a word. It is a number 30. Imma, imma, gadda, adda, yakka, biyya, kiyya. So these are short. No, we don't stay on any of them. So because of that, there is no repeated vowels. And the words that are strong, when we say them, are all their consonant being doubled. There are some words of that structure. There is no rule here. We're just repeating, and so that you can understand what is strong, soft, short, and so on. Here, another combination. This is soft and long. Soft and long. We can actually combine in multiple times. We can combine 3-4 times actually. If you like to, this is there is no long. I'm just there's no rule. I'm just recapping it. So here, soft words and are long. You know, the soft, that means there is no strong strong sound that we speak deeply, and the long means we stay longer on the sounds, so we repeat the consonants. No, we repeat the vowels. Sorry. Damu. You say da, we stay on da. Mu, we stay on mu. Damu. Damu. Laga. We stay. It is not laga. There is another word exactly opposite to this in Oromo. Sorry. Look at this too. Laga. Lag. So this is short and soft. This is soft but long. In both of the words, there is no strong sound. Laga, lag, lag. We stay very, very short on it. Lag. So this is short. Laga, this is long. Both of these sounds, la and ga, are very, are long. Gari, afan. From here, which one is long? Afan, afan. If you say the fa is long, that's correct. Demi, demi. Here, the da sound is long. As you can see, we can have long words at the beginning, long sounds at the beginning of Oromo words. Actually, these are damu, laga, gari. Those three have long and long sound is at the beginning. A is short here. Fa is long again. Na is short. Demi, da is long. Ma is short. Jalala, jalala. There is no strong word here. Strong sound, sorry. Here, which one is long and which one is short? Jalala, jalala. If you say ja is long, both la sounds are short. Jalala. Oromia, Oromia. Which one is long, which one is short? Oromia. All are short except ya. Ya is long here only. Oromia. We only stay on ya. Oromia. Sutuma. Sutuma. Which one is short and long? Sutuma. Sa is long and ma is long. Only two. Only ta is short. Sutuma. Maka. Maka. I'm sure you're gonna get this. Wati. Wati. So in this list of words, all of them are soft and long combined. You can have multiple combinations. These are only two sound and two and three sounds, but we can have in 4, 5 sound words as well. And here is the last one, strong, soft and strong. So here the soft and the strong are combined. We can have multiple combinations. We can have so soft. We can actually combine any of this, but this is just some examples for soft and strong. Bareedu, bareedu, bareedu. Which one is soft? And which one is strong? Bareedu, bareedu. Ba is short and soft. Ra is soft and long. Du is strong and long. I repeat that. Ba is short and soft. Ra is soft and long. Du is strong and long. This is actually a very nice combination. Sadet, sadet. Sa is short and soft. Da is strong and long. Strong and long. T, ta sound is short. Bilisumma, bilisumma. Here the same structure as this. Ba, la, sa are all short and soft. Ma is strong and long. Abidda, abidda. A is short, ba is short. Both are soft. Da, abidda is strong and short. Abidda. We didn't say abidda. This is abidda. So I'm not going to tell you a meaning. I don't have time. I'm finished, but I'm going to give you another exercise for this thing. Okay, I already. Sorry, I already revealed, so it is already on my video. I can't give you the assignment. I'm gonna tell you, give you that. So you're supposed to write sagal, kottu, um, jibba, obboleettii, maatii. But fine, that is exposed, so the answer is already there, but I'm gonna ask you these questions, and you will write those. The first exercise is which sound is I write so in Afan Oromo. Which sound is in those words are soft? That means lafa means soft. Which sound is soft in this word? Um, dalaga, dalaga, jabbi, jabbi, walakka. So here you have to find soft sound. Soft sound. Here you have to find strong. Which sound is strong in here? Bakakka, bakakka, waraabessa, waraabessa, kiyyoo, kiyyoo. Here, which one is short sound? Which one is short here? Kudhan, jaallan, Oromoo. And here, sorry, which one is long? Which one is long here? Era means long. Era came back here. Which one is long? Sagalee, suutumaa, suutumaa. Good luck in doing this. This is the final for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions in the comments, please don't hesitate to write down on the comment below, and I will try to answer all your questions. Thank you very much, and have a blessed day.